What's up, Shiba Army? It's Coin bringing you the latest news about Shiba Inu. We got a ton of this here today, so let's begin. This is what's been happening right now. We're seeing a little bit more decrease here, so if we do measure from here to here, it is about 10% decrease, but you have to remember, if you check out my right side here, there's a lot of coins who are doing the exact same thing where they are again going down. So what is happening right now, we're having a kind of a stabilization period. So Bitcoin is going down, like all these coins here are going down. But why is this a good thing? It's basically because we've been going up for such a long time. So seeing them going down is pretty good because the RSI needs to go down, because after that we're going to see massive increase. Basically after that we're going to see massive increase. Either Bitcoin is going to go all the way to here and then we're going to continue, or we're going to stop right now. I believe we're going to stop right now, stabilize a little bit, and then continue to go up, basically, because we've been going down enough. Maybe there's a chance that we're going to break down even more, like I said, all the way to here. That would be another decrease of like 2 to 3%, which is okay. But after that, we're going to see a rebound. We're going to continue to go up. Exactly what's going to happen to Shiba Inu. Hopefully Shiba Inu is going to either stop right over here at this area right now, or at least the next level, which should be right over here at this level. So right over here, basically. So either here, or we're gonna stop right now and then stabilize. So if I'm looking at the RSI is just telling us that basically we're super oversold right now. So that means it's time to buy. It's just a huge indicator. You can just see here it happened before, and you can see the people that start to buy. Boom. So this could happen here to Shiba Inu right now, where we're gonna stabilize right now, and then boom, exploding the price. Just a little bit, but still gonna be pretty cool. Now, Shitoshi here, finally, he's alive. So Shitoshi's back, and he made a post here saying, Shitoshi Kusama reporting for duty, ship army salute. Don't reply with questions. I'm in a meeting, playing catch up and finalizing things. Please keep an eye on Chip talking for details and updates. Just know I'm here and nose on the grindstone. So what is happening here? Basically, he's been just working so much right now. He's been trying to partner up with different companies. Like I said, they're working like on layer 2. They're working on the Shibarium. So basically someone has to do that. Somebody has to talk to all these people. Somebody has to talk with all those exchanges and projects and developers. So he's the man. He's the one who is doing everything right now. So it says here, thank you. The foot is heavy, but we don't care. Move it up. If it will be destroyed, it is inevitable. There you go. That's the only thing he did say here. But cool. Super cool to see that he has been working here. He didn't leave the project or something like that. He's just been really hard working to go to the next level, to the next Shiba Inu level. So there you have a swap now. But now it's time to make the blockchain, the ecosystem, and the exchange in the future, and a new coin, and other new coins actually. So a lot of things need to happen here still. So I want to read about this. Yeah, once Webull and Coinbase drop, I believe we will have over 1 million holders. Shiba Inu just keeps growing, and will continue to add to my position. Yeah, I think something like that could happen. It's not gonna increase to like 1 million holders in just like 2 days, but by the end of the year, I think we're gonna have like more than 1 million if good things start to happen. Like if we do get listed Coinbase, Webull is listing the coin, so we should be seeing increase here pretty soon when they do release Shiba Inu. It's gonna be super cool. So it says here, Shiba Inu can make investors turn millionaires by 2030. But here's the catch, so let's check it out. His patience is a virtue of a few. Billionaire investor Warren Buffett once said, our favorite holding period is forever. He explained further, if you don't feel comfortable owning a stock for 10 years, you shouldn't own it for 10 minutes. Despite losing $23 billion during the stock market crash in 2008, Buffett still held onto the most of his assets and stayed strong through the long term. The values of his stock has now more than tripled, making him the 7th richest man in the world. So Buffett did not pull out his assets with fear in 2008, and this attitude of holding on makes him an ideal investor as he zipped past through the financial Pearl Harbor. Buffett is a prime example that holding on to stocks for the long term would deliver enormous results even after market crashes, but remember, when it rises, your assets could grow tenfold from the invested amount, leading to life-changing fortunes. So Shiba Inu investment advice. More than 500,000 people have invested in Shiba Inu, and majority of them have purchased millions and billions of coins at affordable prices, as SHIB is trading presently for less than a cent. So financial experts predict that Shiba Inu could reach 1 cent mark past 2030, as the current decade makes it impossible to reach that milestone due to the global economic uncertainties contended by the virus pandemic. Well, all Shiba Inu investors turn millionaires. Investors who have purchased millions and billions of coins have a realistic chance of turning millionaires when Shiba Inu reaches 0.01. However, unfortunately, not everyone will turn out to be millionaires. But why, you may ask? Well, here's the catch. An investor will go through several ups and downs from 2021 and beyond, as the crypto market is nothing but a mean roller coaster ride that would drag investors down a filthy hole in the harshest way possible. Not everyone is mentally capable of riding the crypto market, and majority of investors who have invested want to see instant results, and that is closely next to impossible. So investors, after placing their money on SHIB, check the prices hysterically every hour of the day, and this unruly habit builds up mental pressure when they see the coin slipping during the trade, which would eventually make them to pull out their assets in a few years down the line. Most of the current holders would eventually sell their holdings before 2025, as they unwillingly and have no patience to reach the moon and miss out on making generational wealth. By the year 2025, more than half of the present investors would have sold off their holdings, being frustrated that the coin isn't reaching their desired goal, and would miss out on a life-changing moment due to impatience, but would reap the rewards if they held on for a few more years. So Shiba Inu in reality can make every investor millionaire if they hold on the long term until it reaches the 1 cent mark, and the simple trick to achieve this is to read the first paragraph of this article again. So basically here, what they're trying to say is that, like, one of the biggest investors here, so Warren Buffett, maybe he even is the biggest investor here, how he won the game of investing was basically he just didn't show any fear. He just didn't sell for a really long time, and then by beating the market, beating the whole market, and beating everybody who sold before him. There was like a statistic where the richest investors of all time were people who were either dead, or the people who basically forgot they even had like the money, or like the shares, or like the crypto right now. So that is what's happening here. Basically, long-term holding. So I know a lot of you guys want to just make short-term profit, and that's about it. But if you do have like some kind of funds that you don't really care about, just put them to the side, forget about them, and then remember in a couple of years. Because in those couple of years, that investment just reached some astronomical values, and you'll be so glad they actually did invest that instead of spending that money on something stupid. So there you go. That's what I think will happen here. I think the best way, of course, is to wait for a super long term, like 5 years to 10 years, 3 years. All depends when the best timing is to sell. But for now, like I said, Shiba Inu is stabilizing. Shiba Inu is actually going down right now, but it's just a bad time to sell. Like right now is the worst time to sell for Shiba Inu because it has so much more potential to go up in the future. Super cool and super interesting. But I want to talk about this also. Says the truth about Shiba and the FUDs. So first off, I've been here since 6K members. I've seen the sub grow fast, bringing more and more negative people along. When Shiba Inu made all-time high, people jumped on the train hoping to become millionaires overnight. Well, that's how it feels every day regarding the sub. That's the thing, guys. It's not something that's gonna happen overnight. So Warren Buffett didn't become a billionaire or a millionaire overnight. It took time. It's called compound interest, where you just put in effort, put in like your money, put in just patience, put in for like some time, like years maybe, and then one day it all just blows up and skyrockets. That's what's the whole point here. So it says here, but without reading news, following what is happening around the coin, in the donation, for example, people start panic, write FUD and other BS. Then 1 year after SHIB released, the swap came. Still people blame the dev team for being late, that there is no swap and all crazy stories, but still delivered the swap. People ask stupid questions, spread rumors and hate when they don't get what they want. This shows how greedy our race of humans are, how we just want to make more and more, but when some issue occurs, even when it's 100% that you will receive, you become the Karen of the internet, demanding even more. People have to learn that stocks, crypto, investments don't make you rich overnight. It takes money to make money. Don't complain getting one bone reward when 40 bucks buried. Imagining that 40 bucks on your bank account would give you nothing. So invest only what you can lose and don't let emotions get involved. These last months and years have shown us the proof that the market can fall big but also gain hard. Be smart, hodl the line, forget your investments and put price alerts on your apps. When the alarm sets off, do your profits. Until then, stop complaining, stop the FUD, and take care of your people around you. The more positive we are, the more people will invest. Imagine someone with 10 million USD wanting to invest but hesitate when he reads your negative comment or post. Don't be stupid. Let's show the world why we are the best in so short time. If you profit from shib, please donate some money to your local dog shelter. Make the world a better place. Stay safe. This is not a financial advice. If you read all, then thank you. There you go. Also, been here since around 10k members. I don't even check the sub anymore. Just chilling and waiting. Time is on our side. So yeah, there you go, guys. This post here, even here, saying it's all about patience. So having a lot of patience here. So and yeah, good things are happening here to shib. Oh yeah, exchange listings. So it says here we are considering listing Shiba on Pasino.com. It's if there's enough demand for it. What do you all think? We would love some feedback in the comments. So super cool to see here that more exchanges want to list this coin here. So super cool to see what's been happening. This post has 1.3k likes. So yeah, people want Shiba Inu to get listed. So I think like they did promote this. So pretty cool things are happening. I've been checking out here Webull. Webull still hasn't posted anything about Shiba Inu, but in the end they did say here that they are doing the beta test. So they're testing out everything for it to work. So once they are finished testing, we're going to get listed and people will be able to buy the coin if they do want to. And I think now when we have like a major price increase from Webull, there is a chance, but it doesn't have to mean anything. Like I think like there was like a article here talking about Elon Musk promoting the coin. If something like that does happen in the short-term future, then I think that would really make a huge reversal here for Shiba Inu. It could make the coin finally continue to go up and hype it up enough for people to continue to buy and get interested into the coin. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see what's gonna happen here to Shiba Inu and the rest of the coins here. But yeah, guys, in the end, I'm not a financial advisor. If you do want to buy these coins, please do your own research first. If you did enjoy this video, it means so much to me. If you can like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.